The State Chairperson of the International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA, Barrister Tariere, has lended a voice on the need for government at all levels, philanthropic groups and individuals to continually provide succor for flood-affected persons residing at various internally displaced persons IDP camps across the state. Barrister Tariere made this appeal when she led our executive and members of the state chapter, the International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA, to donate relief materials to the IDP victims located at Egbegi. After the ravaging flood, occupants of these buildings are worst hit, with property and their means of livelihood adversely affected. This camp hereby stands as beacon of hope for them as they plan on how to survive daily and return to their homes after the flood. The Egbegi IDP camp in recent times has been on the spotlight, with different groups and individuals visiting to donate relief materials to the victims. This visit by members of the Bayelsa FIDA is hereby not surprising, considering their core mandate of protecting women and children.
We have come here with our own little that we can give, but other bodies out there can do much more than we have done. We are also asking that please you can come here to this camp to support these women in the little way that you can. The government is doing their best and we say kudos to the government. We as individuals, we can also make our society a better place by coming to give support to these women in the camp.
Members of the executive led by Barrister Egbegi also visited 5 mothers who just delivered at the camp and presented cash and gift materials to the children and mothers.
So we buy some things for the children. As we don't born, we bring pampers, and we bring soap.
The team also visited the St. John's Catholic Camp Egbegi, where they preached the gospel of hope to the victims as they lauded the team for the visit.
We are here today to support you in the little way that we can.
Nothing is too big, nothing is too small as it stands right now for them, so that we can all put our hands together and make life more suitable for them until this flood recedes.
Of all of us, I say thank you and may God bless you.
God bless you.
The International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA, is a professional group made up of female lawyers. I am Daniel Williams, reporting for Niger Live TV.
You can get the stories and more at our website at www.nigerlivetv.com. Get feeds and updates on our social media handles at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Niger Live TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos. Reaching you from the Niger Live TV studios, I'm Barr.Egbegi Samuel. And for now, bye-bye. Event planner, entertainer, model, and lots more. You can catch a lot of things here at Niger Live TV. I'm having a lot of fun, but first of all, you gotta do something. Click that button, push it, and stay with us. Stay tuned, because you're gonna get the best this side of the Niger.